Hello guys, welcome back to Mom's Medicine. Today I am making an infused hair tonic using rosemary and guava leaves. Rosemary helps stimulate hair growth and prevent hair loss due to its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. Guava leaves nourishes the scalp, strengthening each follicle to reduce shedding and encourage natural hair regrowth. It fortifies the hair shaft. Guava is a powerhouse for smoother, stronger hair. Antioxidant protection to hydration and frizz control for shine. Apply to your hair after you shampoo. Do not rinse.